Hello guys, I'm going to do another burp video. I've got some of this strange drink, I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's called Solo. Original lemonade. What? Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to do another burp video. Ready? Yeah, I can burp for ages. Oh, that's awful. It's really lemony. Well, that's to me. It's really lemony. Okay. That was random. Smells a little funky in my room. You may not be able to see it, but I do have a little bit of makeup under my eyes. So. Okay, so that's all the burps I'm going to do because my throat again gets sore after a while. Comment if you want some more, and if I've only got 2 subscribers, so if I get to, I don't know, 3 or 4 or 5, how many, if I get 5 subscribers or 50 viewers, because I've got 35, I'll do another burp video. So, and also go check out my girl, and that's all. Peace. How do I edit?